Hi my friends, and today we will draw a hair dryer. Are you ready? Let's start. First, draw a line. Follow me. Let's turn a few shapes into something fun. You are an artist already. Let's prove it. Just try your best. That's all that matters. Let your imagination guide your pencil. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just try. You can do this step by step. You are one step closer to an awesome drawing. Draw with me and make something awesome. Keep going. You're doing great. Ta-da! We finished our picture. To learn how to draw another pictures, subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!